Hi, my name's Daniel, and my company is called Silver Lakes Hosiery. We've been using LitCommerce for about 2 years, and I must say, from the beginning, they've been amazing. We sell on Etsy, Amazon, eBay, our own Shopify store. And without LitCommerce, I don't know where we'd be, because it's very hard with the inventory we have. We have over 2,000 lines. It's difficult, but they have simplified everything for us. And if we have any issues, the support is amazing, and I really mean that. It's very refreshing these days to see something or find a company that really cares about their customers. So thank you very much, LitCommerce. Keep up the good work, and we look forward to a continued partnership with you.